Ever wonder why your makeup just isn't working for you? It's not just about the brand. It's about choosing the right makeup for your skin and knowing how to use it. First, pick your makeup wisely. Not all products work for every skin type. Oily, dry, or sensitive, you must know what suits you. Your eyes matter too. The right colors can make them pop, the wrong ones can dull them out. And let's talk about makeup hygiene. Ever wondered why your skin breaks out? Dirty brushes and old products could be the culprit. And please, don't let your kids play with your makeup. Unless you enjoy finding your favorite lipstick on the walls. Want to master the art of flawless makeup? The internet is full of tutorials, but if you're looking for perfection, especially for your wedding or special event, hiring a professional makeup artist is a game changer. Finding the best makeup artist shouldn't be a struggle, and we're here to help. Visit our website below in the description to discover expert makeup tips, find top-rated artists near you, and elevate your beauty game. Click the link below and unlock your perfect look today. Because your makeup should work for you, not against you.